Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Your vehicle is packed with exciting features that help make it convenient and fun to drive. Let's unpack the details. Your new Volkswagen includes 2 years or 20,000 miles of Carefree Coverage, which includes the first 2 scheduled service visits. Your VW also includes 24/7 Roadside Assistance for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever occurs first. And if you ever find yourself in an unexpected situation, like a flat tire, mechanical issue, or an empty fuel tank, Roadside Assistance is ready to help. The 4-year or 50,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty helps give you peace of mind wherever the road takes you in your new Volkswagen. Volkswagen recommends routine maintenance be performed every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever occurs first. And the first 2 scheduled maintenance intervals are included as part of Carefree maintenance. And with 5 years of the included remote access plan, you can stay connected with your vehicle right from the myVW mobile app. When enrolled in remote access, you can see your door and window status, last parked location, and even remotely lock and unlock your doors, all from your smartphone. With remote access, you can also search for parking spots and send a destination directly to the vehicle's navigation system. Plus, find a Volkswagen dealer, schedule service, and request roadside assistance right from the myVW app. Your vehicle also includes 7 years of the Volkswagen Vehicle Insights Plan. When enrolled, get maintenance alerts, vehicle status updates, and vehicle health reports, plus insights into how your vehicle is being used with Drive View and service history records within the myVW app. And you can drive with confidence when you enroll in the included 5 years of Safe and Secure, which includes features like emergency assistance, automatic crash notifications, and information assistance. And Plus Speech with AI is included for 1 year and enhances in-vehicle voice control by adding certain online functions and generative AI. You can ask your digital assistant, Ida, for news, weather, sports, flight status, and stock prices. It can also provide basic internet search results, help to identify nearby buildings and landmarks, and answer a wider range of questions and requests using generative AI. So you can get directions to the grocery store and recipe suggestions, or find a place to take a break on your next road trip. You can do a lot with the myVW app, so download it today by visiting the App Store or scanning the QR code on your screen. Your Volkswagen is equipped with IQ.DRIVE technology, which provides driver assistance features that can help enhance the safety and convenience of your drive. Learn more about IQ.DRIVE at vw.com/IQ or by scanning the QR code. And keep an eye on your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. You can also find more information about your vehicle, including video tutorials and access to your online owner's manual, by visiting vw.com/tutorials or scanning the QR code. Congratulations on your Volkswagen. See you on the road.